do an oil change on the 2010 Jaguar XKR. We're letting it warm up right now. Got our items there that we need. So let's finish warming up and then we'll be back. So just a quick bit of information here. I just recently got this Jaguar about 3 weeks ago, and it is due for an oil change. Thought, well, I could source this oil here in Idaho, but I wanted the exact specification that the manual called for on the car. So what I did was I purchased this gold filter from Napa last week, and you know, it's one of their gold filters. It did cost $54, which I thought was pretty expensive, but hey, it's a Jaguar. When I couldn't find the oil and I was searching on the forum site, I came up on veteran member Queen and Country, and he recommended a link off of eBay where you could get Ravenol oil. It was actually an exchange oil exchange kit specific for the car, and it came with a filter. Cost on that with shipping $118. And to me, it's quite apparent that I don't know if it's Mall A filter that comes with it. The media filter is of better quality than what the Napa is, so we'll be taking that one back. So anyway, I just wanted to thank Queen and Country for the link in the previous post, and let's get started. So the service manual says that we are supposed to loosen the filter element cover 4 turns. That's been done, so we'll move on to the next step. So from here we're going to do removal of the engine oil fill hole, and we're going to attach our siphon to that tube right there that goes down into the oil pan. So let's get that done. There's certainly all sorts of oil extractor pumps out there in the market that would do this job suitably well. I just happen to go with the Mighty Vac. Now with the Mighty Vac, there were different tubes that had different adapter ends on them, and of course these do not fit into the Jaguar. This third tube that came with the kit slides very snugly right over that tube, so that's the route we're gonna go. Well, we have successfully extracted all the oil out of this thing. I have a clear tube. That was surprisingly very easy. Never done that before, and worked out quite well. So let's go to the next step. So now that we got the oil out, we're going to take the filter out. So here we're just going to take a quick look down in the oil filter cavity. The filter sits. Still got some residual oil that's sitting in there. You can kind of see that that is dark. Sorry about that. There we go. It's a little bit dark. I think I'm gonna get some paper towels and get some of that soaked up. So I did what I could to get the rest of the oil out of there with some paper towels. Is it overkill to do that? Probably. Is it necessary? Probably not, but it's my car, so we did it anyway. Alright, next step. Alright, so got our old filter, taking that out. We're going to remove the old O-ring on here. Threads look pretty good. We're going to install our new O-ring. With that, put a tiny bit of oil on there. Okay. Next, install our new filter. Seems to be seated good. Get a little bit of oil on these O-rings. And I'm just going to put a tiny bit right here in the filter. See if it can't soak up just a little bit. Probably not necessary, but get a little absorption in there already instead of a dry filter. It's probably not a bad thing. So the service manual states filter cap, you're supposed to tighten it down finger tight first before you torque it. So we're doing that now. Okay, that's finger tight. Alright, so looking at what we extracted out, we're just right at 7 liters, so we're going to start filling this thing up. Okay, 7 total liters have been added. So the manual says let it sit here just for about 5 minutes, and we'll fire it up, let it get good warm, and check oil level. Okay, says our oil level is okay, so we're going to start this up, let it run for a bit, then check it. Okay. After running the motor for 10 minutes, letting it sit for 10 minutes, going back into the oil level reading function, we look okay. So now we're going to go into resetting the service oil light.